Welcome to Winners 10 YouTube channel. This video is about how to open bank account sitting at your home just in 10 minutes. So in this video I will show you how we can open Axis Bank account, but same procedure applies for other private banks like ICICI, Citibank, S Bank, South Indian Bank, etc. So before I start with this video, I request you to please subscribe Winners 10 YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. So coming to the procedure on how to open bank account sitting at your home, open axisbank.com from your computer or from your mobile, and here in the home page you can see open digital account button. So you can click on this, or you can also go to personal and click on digital savings account. So now I will click on open digital account. To open bank account online, we need PAN card, original PAN card and other card, and we have to fill online application. Click on open now. This will redirect to leap.axisbank.com, and the steps will be verification via PAN and other, fill in your details, fund your account, complete your KYC via video call. So here the first step will be we have to provide PAN card number and Aadhaar card number, and you will receive the OTP, one time password, to the mobile number you have mentioned in the Aadhaar card, and the details permanent address will be fetched from the Aadhaar card, and you have to update the communication address. So the bank checkbook as well as the debit card will be sent to the communication address you mentioned in the application. And coming to the funds, you have to deposit 15,000 rupees through internet banking or UPI transfer. And coming to the KYC, you have to get ready with PAN card, and once you complete the fund transfer, the third step, you will get a call from Axis Bank representative to complete the KYC via video call. So here click on the arrow button just beside easy access, and in the next page click on apply now. Here you have to enable location access and click on continue. Here enter your PAN card number and Aadhaar number and the mobile number. For your information, the mobile number you are updating here should be linked to your Aadhaar account. Then click on proceed. In the next step, you have to update your communication address and your nominee details, and in the third step you have to fund your account using internet banking or UPI transfer, and once you complete the fund transfer you can schedule a call with Axis Bank executive or Axis Bank agent who will assist you with KYC verification via video call. And once the video call KYC verification is completed, you will get the virtual debit card, and then you can set up the PIN and you can start using the bank account, which will be activated in few minutes. Later, you will get the debit card as well as checkbook via courier to the communication address you mentioned in the application. So this overall process won't take more than 10 minutes if you are ready with your PAN card and other card details. Thank you so much for watching this video. Request you to please subscribe Winnerstein YouTube channel and activate the bell icon to receive notifications on latest video uploads. Thank you so much.